Welcome to this video on mastering the past tense in Spanish. We are going to decode how to talk about yesterday using 3 simple tricks. This is a top secret briefing. We are going to crack the code of Spanish verbs in the past tense with 3 simple tricks. Our mission is to report on the past. In Spanish, you don't even need to say I or you. The verb's ending acts as a secret code that tells everyone exactly who performed the action. To understand the code, look at the anatomy of a word. Every verb has a root, which tells us the action, and a tail, which tells us who did it and when. Trick number 1, the swap for words ending in AR. Simply remove the AR tail and replace it with our specific past tense codes to indicate who completed the action. Here is that trick in action with the verb hablar. By swapping the tail, we can clearly state, I spoke, you spoke, or he or she spoke, without needing extra pronouns. Trick number 2, the twin rule. Verbs ending in and IR are identical twins. They share the exact same past tense codes. See the rule in action with the verb comer. The pattern remains consistent across both and IR verbs, making them easy to conjugate in the past. Trick number 3, spotting the rule breaker. Some verbs, like quote IR, refuse to follow the standard rules and change their entire identity in the past tense. Here is your master key. Screenshot this blueprint to easily decode and conjugate verbs in the past tense whenever you need it. Mission accomplished. You have successfully cracked the code for talking about the past in Spanish. Use your master key to keep practicing.